Okay, that looks pretty good right there, guys. Bihek needs to push it up, and Odie needs to push it up a little bit as well. You guys need to be looking not out of the front view, but more out of the quarter or side view.
Okay, Odie, you're going to be on the outside of the next 4 turns, so you'll have to push it up in the turns.
Roger.
Fepper, if you can roll 34 and head about 350, you can catch him.
Roger.
But go check
How's my
on
spacing, Dov?
You look pretty good. Yeah, even slide it up just a little bit more if you can, Odie.
Okay, we're going to start a real gentle right turn now.
Warping. Look.
Dogger, what's your altitude?
1,000 feet at the moment.
Roger.
Fepper, you're looking at Bill P and them. Which way are you heading? Fep?
I was at 350, but I just discoed.
That explains why you disappeared.
Okay, in about 5 seconds, we're going to start a right turn and go straight down the final here and skip all the extra stuff. You guys ready? Right turn, here we go. Power way up, Odie, for this turn.
Roger.
Level. We'll start my descent.
Y'all are looking pretty damn good for having just turned 180. Take it in there, Odie.
Pedaling as fast as I can.
Throttling back, Odie.
I'm good. You can go back to, what was it, 70?
50. 50.
Roger.
So we've been flying with 1 notch of flaps, Odie, because that helps you slow down when you pull the throttle.
Yeah, same here.
Okay. All right, Bihek, take her in.
Warping again.
Airspeed, Dogger. Our Dogger, check about 10 right.
257. Runway's inside.
Going in trail.
Not yet.
You need
We'll fly
to
over
be.
the runway information and then we'll do break to trail.
Boys, close it up. Look like the Navy.
Hi, Pepper.
Hello.
Pepper's flying the solo slot. Okay, they're into the runway. Me first, then Odie, then by heck. 1 second separation in the break. Line up on the downwind in trail. Then we'll do a low, high speed in trail. Break at the end of the runway into the pitch out for the landing pattern.
Odie, you need to take it in a little bit. You're way wide. We have a built-in missing man, it looks like.
Mm-hmm. That leads in the break. Odie, go.
2.
By heck, go. Pepper, go.
By heck and Odie are in conflict. There we go.
Should be me, Odie, by heck, Pepper in trail.
Now we're good now. So Febber, when we roll off here, we're gonna go 100% power and WEP and do a low pass right down the runway.
Roger.
Throttling up, 75. Throttling 100 in my turn.
So everybody fly to the same point in space that Dogger did to start your turn, and you'll keep your spacing.
Wep on. Break at the end of the runway. Throttle to 50 after the break. Throttle to 20.
That looked good.
Gear beam the numbers, the flaps. Throttle off. Once your 60 flaps, shoot for 120. Touchdown at 100. Roll all the way to where I turn, and turn there.
Ah, someone's in me.
Bounce, snap gear.
Taxi to the end. We'll take off again.